Hi, I decided to make a couple of videos on facial massage, and today I will show you how to make an eye massage for more radiant, more fresh looking eyes. I will be using Babor HSR Eye Cream. It's a beautiful eye cream. I use it morning and night. It comes in this beautiful packaging that is great as a gift, and you can purchase it either at Babor website, I will link below, or at any of the Woodhouse Day spas. So let's start with the massage. First, I apply the eye cream all around my eye area. Don't put eye cream on the lids, just under the brow and under the eye. Just make 3 circles just to distribute the eye cream. Next, we're going to do a trigger point massage for the eye area. And it's very simple. You can do it within a couple of minutes every morning before you go out. So let's start. So we are going to start with under the brow. It's 3 pressure points. You start first here under the brow, hold couple of seconds, release, go to the middle, hold couple of seconds and release, then go to the end of the eyebrow, hold couple of seconds and release. Now we're doing the same thing but under the eye, hold couple of seconds and release, in the middle, hold couple of seconds and release, and here, hold couple of seconds and release. Next, we're going to do it on the side, so hold couple of seconds and release, go further, hold couple of seconds, release, hold couple of seconds and release. Next, we're going to do the nose, so just here, hold couple of seconds, release, under the nose, hold couple of seconds, and here, hold a couple of seconds. Now warm your hands and put them over your eyes and hold for 10 seconds. Release. That relaxes the eyes. I feel so much better. Next, we're going to massage from eyebrow to the temples. 1, 2, 3. Then massage the ears. And massage behind the ears, and we're going to finish up by massaging the temples. Go 10 times one direction and then go the other direction 10 times, and we are done. The eye area is relaxed. You will feel more energetic after this trigger point massage. The eye area is released, the muscles are more relaxed. If you have pain in your eye area, that will be helpful to do this massage. For more massage videos, subscribe. I will post them shortly.